Gas pipeline corridors run through hundreds of kilometers of uninhabited deserts. The safety of such sections is a top priority. Even a minor leak can have serious consequences. Pergam Group offers a solution: the LMS Open-Path Laser Detector with retroreflectors. The detectors are installed along the pipeline and detect methane leaks, transmitting information to the control room in real time. Operators receive data from all detectors and can immediately take action. This ensures the safety of uninhabited gas transportation corridors. LMS Open-Path allows you to detect even the smallest methane leaks. One detector-reflector pair provides remote monitoring of explosive concentrations of methane vapors at a distance of up to 1 kilometer. The advantage of LMS Open-Path over similar open-type gas analyzers is that the transmitter and infrared receiver are installed in one unit and use one power supply, and a prismatic reflector is used to reflect the signal. It is selective and insensitive to external radiation sources, does not react to sunlight, water vapor, dust. The reflector is electrically passive and does not require electrical energy. The system operates 24/7, monitoring gas pipelines and tanks. To equip an object, 5 times fewer LMS Open-Path systems are required than analogs. The response time of the receiver is only 0.1 of a second. LMS Open-Path, safety of storage, processing, and transportation of gas.